Hey friends, this is Jake again and welcome to another one of my videos in how to make a friend. And if you haven't checked out my playlist already, labeled Social Relationships, I'll put a link up here and in the description down below. And in today's tip, join or create a gaming group. So if there's a certain video game, board game, any sort of game where you have more than 2 players that you enjoy, this is definitely the video for you. Really think about it for a moment about what game right now presently that you play. Chances are there's gonna be others out there who are playing it too. What you can do to try to connect with other people is to look at 2 websites, meetup.com. One is also called Reddit. I'll put the links in the description regarding just the main homepage of each website and also for specific groups when it comes to gaming. But this is how a lot of people in the gaming community do meet, is they see videos online of montages of certain games, they see the person's tag, and then they connect with them. So if there is a game out there that you have interest of playing, or one that you want to bring back from the vault of nostalgia and to get back into it again to connect with other people, use that as a strength. You already know the territory of the game, see if what the most updated version of it is, if they still have it, and then connect. And if there's something very specific that you do play and you're not too certain how many players there are, you can definitely use Reddit over Meetup. Reddit is much more of a conglomerate that will have more people interactive live, where you can actually type in a question that you might have on Google or through Reddit's search engine and see how many people are playing that game, or even if there's just a small community, and you can start there. So that's today's tip in how to make a friend, is to connect through people through video games, board games, how people meet up through meetup.com, or even through Reddit to connect with people. And if you're interested in other videos related to mental health, psychology, relationship, please check out this channel. You might like what you see on here. And if you don't want to find yourself scrolling through all my content, I can just give you a video right here in 8 tips in how to know if you're in a mentally healthy relationship. I'll actually give a breakdown of what you can do in order to get there. I hope today's video was helpful for you. I hope it's helpful in your path in how to develop a friend. And remember, take care.